In the heart of their small village, Moyo faces a life-altering decision as her daughter Aisha reveals she's pregnant with Moyo's new husband Jaid's baby. The family must navigate intense scrutiny from their community while struggling to find harmony in their unconventional situation. As the baby's arrival approaches, tensions rise, and the village's acceptance hangs in the balance. Can Moyo, Aisha, and Jaid rebuild their lives amidst judgment and adversity, or will their bond crumble under the weight of societal expectations? In the small village of Okal, nestled among rolling green hills and sparkling rivers, lived a woman named Moyo. Moyo had a daughter named Aisha, who was bright and kind-hearted. Their home was a cozy hut with walls made of clay and a thatched roof. They lived a peaceful life, their days filled with the simple joys of village life. Moyo had recently married a man named Jaid. Jaid was a strong and respected member of the village, known for his honesty and hard work. The village had celebrated their marriage with much fanfare, and Moyo and Aisha had hoped for a new chapter of happiness. One sunny afternoon, Moyo noticed that Aisha seemed tired and distant. Moyo, concerned, approached her daughter gently. "Aisha, is something wrong? You seem troubled." Aisha looked down, her cheeks flushed with a deep red. "Mother, I have something to tell you. It's about Jaid." Moyo's heart sank. "What about Jaid?" Aisha took a deep breath and spoke with a trembling voice. "I'm pregnant. And the baby, it's Jaid's." Moyo was shocked. Her mind raced with confusion and fear. How could this have happened? The man she had married, who was now part of their family, had fathered a child with her own daughter. The next day, Jaid came to the hut with a serious expression on his face. "Moyo, Aisha," he said, "we need to talk." Moyo's heart pounded. "What is it, Jaid?" Jaid took a deep breath. "I've been thinking a lot. I want us to stay together as a family. All three of us." Moyo was stunned. "You want us to live together? But, how can we? This is a complicated situation." Jaid nodded. "I know it's not easy, but I believe we can make it work. The baby deserves a family, and I want to be there for both you and Aisha." Moyo struggled to understand. Her emotions were a whirlwind of anger, sadness, and confusion. She had hoped for a harmonious new family life, but now it was shattered. Aisha, who had been quiet, spoke up. "Mother, I want to be with Jaid. I know it's difficult, but he's the father of my child. We need to find a way to make this work." Moyo's thoughts were chaotic. The villagers' whispers and judgments would be unbearable. How would they explain this situation to everyone? One night, as the moonlight danced on the river, Moyo sat by the fire, staring into the flames. She was deep in thought when Jaid joined her. "Moyo," he said softly, "I know this is hard. I want to support you and Aisha. We can find a way to be a family." Moyo looked at him, her eyes filled with tears. "Jaid, it's not just about us. It's about our place in the village, our respect. How will we face everyone?" Jaid took her hand gently. "We will face it together. We will build our family with honesty and love." As days passed, the village began to notice the changes in the household. Moyo and Aisha's interactions with Jaid were closely watched. The villagers whispered among themselves, their curiosity piqued. One evening, Moyo's best friend, Zanab, came to visit. "Moyo, I've heard rumors. What's going on with you, Aisha, and Jaid?" Moyo sighed. "It's true, Zanab. Aisha is pregnant with Jaid's child. We are trying to find a way to be together as a family." Zanab's eyes widened. "This is a difficult situation. But remember, you have the strength to overcome this. The village will understand if you show them that you are united and strong." Encouraged by Zanab's words, Moyo decided to face the villagers. She and Aisha went to the village square, where Jaid stood by their side. Moyo addressed the crowd, her voice steady. "Villagers, we have something to share. Aisha is pregnant with Jaid's child. We know this is unusual, but we want to be a family. We ask for your understanding and support. The crowd murmured, some with sympathy and others with skepticism. The road ahead would be challenging, but Moyo felt a glimmer of hope. In the weeks that followed, Moyo and Aisha adapted to their new life with Jaid. They decorated their home with traditional fabrics and artifacts, and Jaid worked hard to support them. The village began to see their efforts and, slowly, began to accept their unconventional family. One day, as Moyo walked by the river, she saw a group of children playing. They were laughing and chasing each other, their joy infectious. Moyo realized that despite the challenges, their family could be a source of happiness and love. As the baby's birth approached, Moyo's heart was filled with a mixture of excitement and anxiety. She knew that the arrival of the baby would be a turning point in their lives. Finally, the day came. Aisha gave birth to a healthy baby boy. The village gathered to celebrate the new life, and the once skeptical villagers now offered their support and congratulations. Jaid held the baby in his arms, his eyes filled with pride. This child is a symbol of our love and unity. We will raise him together, with strength and honor. Moyo looked at her family, Aisha, Jaid, and the baby. She saw hope and love in their eyes, and she knew that, despite the challenges, they had created something beautiful together. The village slowly came to accept the new family, and life in Okal continued with a renewed sense of harmony. Moyo, Aisha, and Jaid found joy in their unique situation, proving that love and understanding could overcome even the most complicated circumstances. In the end, the story of their family became a testament to the strength of love and the power of unity, even in the face of adversity. Thank you for joining us on this emotional journey through Moyo, Aisha, and Jaid's unique story. If you found their story touching and inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories and updates. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on how you would handle such a situation, and let's continue this conversation together. Your support helps us bring more amazing content to you. Stay tuned for our next story and keep spreading the love.